Hey guys, this is Eve with Scrapbooking with me, and this is video number 3 today. I wanted to give a little bit of an announcement, a change of dates on something, and then I wanted to tell you about these paper pads. This is the Metropolitan girl. Now, I ran into a deal on these, and I bought quite a few. I thought I might want to pass them on to you guys. Some of you might want to have some of these. I kept a few for myself because I love this paper collection. I have used it before. But I think we're going to sell these for $2.50, which is less than half the price. These sell retail for $5.99, I believe it is. So $2.50 is what we're going to sell these for while supplies last. This is 24 6x6 double-sided pages, 65-pound cardstock. This has got some beautiful vintage images in it, and then some gorgeous background pages. Look at this. Isn't that pretty? Now, this is mine, and when I fold it, the papers are going to come out. These papers come out real easy. They don't leave that gummy stickiness on there, so... And then look at that with all those old shoes. And then this could be cut out to use as ephemera as well. That's the background. And look at that one. That is my favorite paper. I have used that in the 12 by 12 a few months ago, and I love it. Love, love, love it. And then that, of course, that is always gorgeous too. See how easy they come out? I like that. I don't like those that you peel out and then you've got all that sticky to get rid of. Look at that one's pretty. That, and then purses. Oh my gosh, I am addicted to purses, so that is right up my alley. I love that. And then look at this, gorgeous. All these clothes hangers. I'm telling you, Diva City, that's what this is. That is so cute. And then this is like an old pattern, dress pattern or something there. So all these pieces could be cut out and used as ephemera. And then all of these could be ephemera. Very pretty. See if I can fold it this way. I don't want to mess up my papers. I love this background image. This would be gorgeous for a card that you're going to be sending to somebody, even somebody that lives in New York or somewhere. Just a travel card. Isn't that pretty? That looks like the New York skyscape, doesn't it? Look at that. Pretty, pretty. And then all these words, I love those. Those could be cut out individually and used that way, or just use a piece of it. It's got all kinds of places on here. Mexico City, Acapulco, Myrtle Beach, Portland, Charlotte. I was trying to see if it had any nearby. Las Vegas, Park City, Sundance, Melbourne, St. George's, Kingston, Amsterdam, Fort Lauderdale. I'm not seeing anything from Alabama on here. What the world? Okay. Kentucky, Hong Kong, Paris. So it's got all kinds of words and places on there except Alabama, and I didn't find one of those. But anyway. And then those could be cut individually and used on the bottom of a card or a mini album. Really pretty. That one. And then this, it's got San Francisco, Paris, Venice, London, Tokyo, New York. All of those on there. That's pretty. There's just beautiful colors in here. And then it starts over with those. So like I said, it's 24 double-sided pages of 6x6, and these will be, and I'm going to go ahead and write that price on mine. If I can find a pen so that I won't forget when I start to price them. They will be $2.50. So that's a good deal on these paper pads. And like I said, while supplies last, because I can't remember how many I got. I just bought what she had. So if you want one, you can go over and grab one of those. I'll put that link below. Okay, now what I need to tell you is our October birthday bash the dates have been changed. The reason being is, Melina and Brandon both had COVID, so the week that we were supposed to put the classes up for sale and show you our little prototypes, that is when Melina was really, really sick and couldn't come over and do that. So we have had to postpone the dates. We haven't canceled. We've just bumped the dates on back a little bit more. Let's look here, see where the dates are. Okay, instead of it being October 8th, 9th, and 10th, which is what we had originally said, we're now going to be having it on October the 23rd, 22nd, 23rd, and 24th. So write that down on your calendar. Let's put that down on here so we will all know. October 22nd, 23rd, and we're saying the 24th, and it may be once we start putting classes together and time frames and all that we may not have to use the 24th, but we're going to go ahead and add that date in right now. Like I said, once we get classes, I think we're going to have 4 classes each, and then we will have a game on each day where you can win prizes. And so I'm not sure about the 24th, but go ahead and put that date down anyway, just in case. So October 22nd, 23rd, and 24th, mark those dates. You do not have to do anything. It's going to be a virtual retreat. All you have to do is purchase your kit. Your kit will be mailed to you at least 2 weeks prior to the dates. And then we will email you the time frame of when the classes are going to be. Everything will be recorded, even if we can go live, and we're trying to do these live, but last time my internet didn't cooperate with me, and I don't know if it will this time or not. If we can't, everything will be recorded, and there will be instructions on everything. Plus, we're going to do the video slowly so that you can, you'll know the exact measurements, exactly where to score, all of that. So we will make sure that you get all the information that you need in order to, you can just continue watching the videos. Once you purchase your kit and get your video links, all of that is yours forever. You do not have to, those videos will not be put up live for anybody. They're exclusive for the kit members. So those kits, we're planning on the kits going up for sale next week. Now, I know that Melina has a couple of Christmas things that she's going to be doing. I'm not sure what the other two classes that she's going to do, but I'm going to be doing a journal with the cloth cover like we did. I'm going to be doing one of those, but I'm going to be doing one of the cloth cover journals. So I'm not sure what my other 3 will be yet. I have them about halfway finished, but I don't know what I'm going to call them yet. Let's just put it that way. But we will be showing those hopefully by next week. But the cloth cover journal, you will receive your material and everything to go inside it. And I'll show you mine right quick. Hold on. One of these, it's cloth cover. It has the cloth. It has lace trim. You'll get laces, different kinds of laces, lots of different trims. You'll get all kinds of ephemera. And then on the inside, we have lots of different ephemera, words, laces, tags, pockets. All of this you will get in your kit. Now, they may not be exactly like what's in mine, but it will be, you will get vellum. You will get this I call this like paper bag. You will get some trim. You'll get some printed paper. This is a printed paper, digital, and you will get some vintage advertisements. You'll get some scrapbook paper. Let's see what else. You'll get some little flowers. You'll get some embellishments. You'll get bling. You'll get doilies. There's another digital. You'll get book pages in your kit. You'll get magazine pages. You'll get some little fold over and fold out pockets. You'll get some tea dyed or ink dyed papers that we will be ink dyeing and tea dyeing for you. You'll get some old book pages, some corner pockets. You can see what all this has in it. Edith Holden book page. I think we'll have enough to give of those. I'll have to look. Let's see. There's another ink dyed paper. And then, you know, a little ephemera like this. All of this stuff you'll have in your kit. And we'll show you exactly how to put everything together and exactly how to stitch your kit together. You can see, I'm just going to flip through. This is a piece of scrapbook paper, little butterflies, you'll get all that kind of stuff. This is a book page pocket, you'll get some of those. This is some burlap, you'll get a piece of burlap. This is some stamped images on just some cotton material, you'll get some of that. It's going to be filled. Your kit is going to be filled, running over with things. You'll probably be able to do this kit and then another one with all the things that we're going to put in there. So I'm just going to flip through real quick and show you. We've got all kinds of things in ours. And you can see there's more coffee dyed paper, tea dyed papers. There's a piece of vellum. And then here's just a big envelope that we have a pocket in. So all of this in your kit. Now these pages will not be torn. We're going to leave that up to you. If you want to tear them, we leave it completely up to you. This is going to be like a whole sheet here, and you can tear it if you want. This is mine, and I have just torn it, but that's going to be up to you. One of these stacked pockets, you'll get some of those. One of these little clip-on pieces that just clips on your page. You can get some of those. See if I can put it back on there without having to move my arm. I doubt it. There we go. And then let's see what else we might have in here. I think we're starting over here. There's some more just of that trim. So as you can see, it's lots and lots of things in here, and you will get enough of all of this to make your kit just like we did. You will also get enough material, probably more than enough, to make your pocket for the front and the back. And then there's the back of it. So we're going to put some of these kits together. I don't know right now. I'm cutting my material up, so I'm going to have to see how much material I have. The other items in here I can definitely come up with, but I've got to see how much material I have. So we're going to put these together, and we will put them up in the shop next week to start selling the kits. As you can see, this one's got 3 signatures in it. You will also get your needle and your thread to sew all of this together. So you'll get everything to complete your kit just like this. I know this is going to be one of my classes. The other 3 I'm still putting together, so I will show those as soon as I get the prototype done. So make sure that you mark these dates down. I've already had lots of people who have contacted me and said, I want to go ahead and purchase my class. I can't just pre-do it. Let's wait until I get all the classes up. I wanted to wait on Melina to get well enough that she could get hers finished. So I will put the classes up next week, hopefully the first of the week, and then you can start purchasing then. So just make sure that you are subscribed and you click that bell so that you'll be notified, because as soon as the classes go up, I will put up a video and notify everybody that classes have gone live and on sale, and all you have to do is just go over there and purchase. And like I said, there will be a limited supply of certain things, so make sure that you get over there early. All right. That is what I needed to tell you today. Don't forget about these little paper pads. They will be linked below, so you can go over and purchase those if you want them. And that'll be a good Christmas present, you know, to put a couple of those in somebody's stocking or something. All right, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and we will see you again hopefully tomorrow. Maybe I won't be doing 3 videos tomorrow and just yakking my brain off. Maybe I'll be slowed down just a little bit on my talking tomorrow. I think I've had too much caffeine today. But anyway, we will talk to you guys later. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.